In this short Excel video, I will show you how to create a multi-category label chart in Excel for Mac. A multi-category label chart is a chart that has both main category labels and subcategory labels. This type of chart is useful when you wish to display data that belongs to different categories in the same figure. For the purpose of this tutorial, suppose you have data representing the revenues for different products, chocolate, cookies, and brownies, in the past 3 years. Your goal is to show revenues by year and subcategory. To create a multi-category label chart, take the following steps. First, arrange your data. In the first column, add main categories, in this case year. In second column, add subcategory columns, in this case products sold. In the third column, add revenues corresponding to each product based on year. Next, select the data and go to Insert tab, where in the chart group, you click on Column Charts and select Clustered Column Chart. As you see, Excel automatically recognizes that the data represents a multi-category data table. In case Excel does not immediately recognize a multi-category data table, right-click on the x-axis to finger click on Mac, select Format Axis, go to Labels category, and tick the Multi-Level Category Labels box. To decrease the gaps between the bars, right-click on the bars, select Format Data Series. In Task pane, change the gap width to 50%. By either typing 50% in the gap width box and pressing enter, or on the keyboard, or moving the slider to the left. Now suppose your boss tells you to show the yearly revenue data for each product in different colors. Chocolate in blue, cookies in orange, and brownies in gray. To do this, you need to create a new data table. First column should contain the 3 products, chocolate, cookies, and brownies. In the second column, you add the 3 years for each product, 2017, 2018, 2019. Next, you create 3 distinct columns for each product. In each column, you insert revenue values corresponding to the right year and product. Chocolate revenues, cookies revenues, brownies revenues. When the data table is finalized, you again select the table, go to Insert tab, and select the Clustered Column Chart option from the chart group. Now we have a multi-category label chart representing each product in different colors. To fix the gap width, repeat the previous process by right-clicking on the bar, selecting Format Data Series and writing 50% in the gap width box. However, now you also must set the series overlap to 100%. By either writing 100% into series overlap box and pressing enter, or moving the slider to the right. To learn how to create a multi-category label chart with a secondary axis, check out my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, click the bell so you will be notified whenever I post another video tutorial.